Hello guys, Lockpick Mechanic here today with a S&L or Eurospec MP6. It's not the X version, because if it was the X version it would be longer. You can see this is a normal version, EUS1, and it's longer. If you have a look at this, I think the British standard Smith & Lockey ones use this blank. Obviously got some sort of alliance with Eurospec, but this one fits in very nice and snug anyways. Let's get in with picking. So here we are, using my Peterson, I think it's number 5. Nice. Okay, so I'm from 1. Yeah, I'll set that. Okay, dropped into a fault set now. Sunk on 2. Okay, yeah. Letting off tension now. There we are. And we're open. Okay, let's do some gutting on it. Zoom you on to that. See if I can move it in the picture a little bit. There you are. So you can tell these got very nice springs here, which I'm a big fan of. Some nice steel stout springs. And all the rest, well, these standard pins as well are steel, which is very interesting. Just this time seems they're not tapered, these ones aren't, which is a shame because it means they don't drop down. You set them and then that's it. Some very nice spools as well. Some very nice spools. Anyways, this has been the Smith & Lockey, well not really, the Eurospec MP6, not X6, there is a difference, cylinder. I'm sure this has been Lockpick Mechanic. Goodbye. Oh, before you go, I forgot to rate it. I'm going to rate it a 5.8. Not as good as the TSS, but not far off. Have a good Easter. Goodbye.